Okay, well then I'll order and leave. Anyways, I will have a large coffee with 2 milks and then a 12-grain bagel with herb and garlic cream cheese. Okay, that was without a doubt the rudest Tim Hortons experience I have ever had in my life. Your girl was in there filming some nice B-roll of some little donuts, some little Timbits, and they were like yelling at me like, "That's a big no-no, no filming in here." Okay, I'll delete the photos of the donuts that I took, except not. Roll the B-roll of them donuts right meow.
Warning, some viewers may find the following content highly disturbing. Please avert your children's eyes as this footage can cause severe, lasting trauma.
So anyways, not a very Canadian start, aka not very nice, to the beginning of this very Canadian vlog. I am currently at Timmy Ho's. I have just picked up a nice big coffee with 2 milks, and I got myself a, where did my thing go? Where did my snacky go? Oh god, hold on. And a bagel with cream cheese. We're gonna go check out a waterfall, and it's about an hour and a half out of downtown Vancouver. So let's get back on the road, let's find this dang waterfall, and let's have us a good old-fashioned Canadian day. Notwithstanding the rudeness that we experienced in the store, but we won't talk about that anymore. Parking lot looks really busy. Let's go check it out. Hopefully it's not too crowded and we can have it to ourselves. We just got to these waterfalls. Take a look. It's not really showing up well on the camera from here, so we are gonna hike up right up to the top of the waterfall and get a closer look. I'm like a mountain goat up in here. Oh, it's really raining now. Oh my god. Welcome to Canada, folks. This is nature. Check out this rain. I'm gonna put my coffee down. Look at that rain. Can you see it? Just wild. It's so freaking beautiful. This is honestly so amazing. My camera is getting so dirty. We gotta get away from this. Clean off this poor camera. This is the dangerous part. This hill is so steep. Holy shit. I'm at the hole. Look at me like old lady clutching my purse like, oh yeah, what a waterfall. Oh my god, okay, I need to dry off this camera. It's not good. Can you even believe how amazing that is? I wish I could get like more footage of it, but I need to get a GoPro or something. The rain has started to come down again like crazy. I don't think I can hang out here anymore without breaking my camera, so we gotta go. Made it out of there alive. Also, look at my bum right now. Okay. So wet. Classic Kylie Jenner booty Snapchat style. I have an hour and a half drive now back to the city, so I'm not gonna make you suffer through that. I will see you very shortly. Okay, made it back to Vancouver. I have about 30 minutes now to get a workout in before I go meet my parents for dinner. I've actually started working out with my personal trainer, Braden, again. I'm seeing him tomorrow for our second session, and I feel accountable, like I should actually work out a little harder on my own now that I know I'm going to go see him. Let's make the most of this 30 minutes and let's get our run on.
This is the land of sky blue waters.
Alright, super happy I snuck in that little workout, and I'm gonna say goodbye for today. Thank you so much for coming and checking out Bridal Waterfalls with me, or what's it called? Whatever. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I gotta go meet the parental unit for dinner, so vlog over. See you soon.